What's up, losers? That's right, I'm live. Hello. What a good day to be here. How's everyone doing? How is everyone doing on this fine day? Bam, bam, bam. Doo, doo, doo. Today we be coding big time. Yeah, big time coding. Look at this. Boom, Minecraft. Crazy. Wow. My code works great. Slash TP 135,000. Almost there. There we go. Did I? I did not said that correctly. I need to fix that. Was it on break? If you do player here, I think. Player equal event dot get player. Oh. This is loud actually. There we go. Little get game mode is different from creative. The game mode? Oh. Boom, and then I can... What? What is this? There you go. Okay. So, what I need to do now is... Did I do it already? I think I did the TP part. Should be here. No? Oh, there. Okay. Alright, I want to test that. So, I did it so that it says the price of your inventory, then says everything to bought, and then that should return 0. So let me just do... If I do test, it should already 0 seconds because I have no item in my inventory. Now if I do this, this should be 2. And then boom, boom. That's 2 plus 4 plus 6. That should be 12. And then should 12 and 0. Wow. Didn't work. Why? Plugin cannot be null. What? It isn't though, because when I'm calling test, it's plugin. What is it? Here, test plugin. Plugin is not null. What? Am I crazy? Because it crashes when I do that, and then when I have no item, it works. So my assumption is whenever it reaches this spot, it doesn't find this. And like plugin is null for some reason. Why? Okay, what if I push this version? Maybe I didn't push the version. Maybe that's an old version. I don't know. We'll see. Slash. Okay. Let's see. Mm. Okay. It's building. There we go. Okay, what if I do variables? Set. What would you get? Okay, orgs. Test? Okay. No. Why? It just says plugin cannot be null. But here, is it because it's final? No. What? Am I crazy? Can I not do that? Oh fuck, I removed the wrong plugin. Fuck me. Okay. Why? Oh no. Okay, so it's not this. This is not the problem. The problem's in here, actually. It's in inventory price. Here. This. This is set to null. Oh, right, because... Yeah. Well, I can do... I know this works, I think. Okay. So, 0. This should said 1 and 0. Still no. Do I need to restart the server, maybe? Let's see. I didn't wanna, but maybe I'll have to. I should have text maybe on screen. Uh, Currently, um, implementing. There we go. Oh, it works. And now if I get, it's like not stacked. Now I can stack them. All right, that works. Maybe I had to unload and then reload and like load. I don't know. Probably. Okay. So that works. So I can do that. And then that. Because I know that they'll still work. So yeah. Okay. So nice. So this works. So there's no duplicate anymore. That's huge. This also works. 10 minutes and 0 seconds. Yep. So on the wall interact. Yes. Okay. And also, do they have any? If I should maybe do. This really gave. Uh, we got 5, 2, receiver, dot get name. No, I should do receiver manager dot. No. So this in Lime. Okay. Then which one is this? This is yeah. Receiver manager dot get I and so you know what? I'm gonna make something in here. That is public component. Don't have that yet, no. Yes, this one. Layer component, which is going to return component.text of get team dot get icon dot happen. Oh, component.text of get name in get color type. There we go. This in Lime. Okay. It's your manager dot get line player. There we go. Which is obviously not null because we know he's a line here. I mean, I could just do this one. Okay, same problem. Whatever. From you received X minutes or X seconds from send the message to the program. There we go. Okay. So when you give time to someone, you should receive that message. And this just opens the menu. Okay. That should work. This works great. I'm so happy of this. My friend warmed up gave me the idea that this should just be that. And so now you spawn here in the middle. And so you just have the choice to like there we go. And then when you want to come back, boop. Okay. So and to check here, that's the thing I want to know. So whenever you go home, so TP to plot. If I need to send the time left because I only have it on side. Player location dot z is more than 3k. You send this. You send the price. There you go. Do I though? I mean, I can. I should also do like block you're looking at. Else should just be the block you're looking at. And to do that, I need to do I'll test it. So it would be player dot get like a block, right? I like a distance of 10. And so it's block target block. No. Import Minecraft here. Okay. And so if target block is null, then player dot send message is error. Else player dot send message target block dot get type. It's item tag dot of this dot effective name. Okay. Let's try this. Okay. So if I enable it, even though there's nothing. Okay, it still works. So I need to disable, probably reload and load, and maybe. Oh, there. Okay. Can't invoke because player manager is null. Which line? Line 39 in... What? Which one? Send custom line 39. Here? Okay, I fixed it. I just had to relog. That's fine. Okay. That was air. Correct. This is yellow carpet, orange carpet, red carpet, lime carpet. Yep, nice. Green, cyan. Right. This works? Okay, this works. Slash TP 0, 130, 1000. Oh. 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 And getaway isn't an item. That's fine. Okay. That should fix it. Are they just empty? It looks like it. Yeah, I tried to do some of that. Okay, yeah, it looks like it. Okay. Okay. So looking at that could be a command like show block. And so I could do, what is it? On join? Here. Oh, here. There we go. Implements command executor. If sender instance of player. I should probably do if he has show blocks person to do public show blocks plugin dot get server dot is not get get command show block. Take a look at this. This dot plugin is equal to plugin and then private final. Yes, okay. If you don't get is that not it? New SPC plugin Roblox. Boom. If it's true, then I should do pdc.set false else. And you do so return true because the command did execute. Here written false because the command didn't. And do player.send message. Compound not text. You will no longer see the name of the log. You're looking at log type dot line dot okay. Should I do that? Or there you go. And here show blocks action show blocks task. Runnable. For player in bucket dot get online players do this. If you do have it and it's true, why is it asking me to no, is it public or is it private? It's private. Whatever. I'm a great coder. Then player dot. Can I do? Hmm. Okay, yeah. Then that's probably where I should do that. Location player dot get location. There we go. And so I need this. put it here. String blog name. So if it's not null, yeah. Else if list of dot contains this. And now time to slash TP 0 135,000. I think it's just the first 4 garbage, so it's red, orange, yellow, lime. Then it's boost bad. Else if it's green or cyan. Then it's a trumpad. I could also do those. That's blue and light blue. Then it's informational panel. Fuck. Pink and white. Material dot white carpet. Purple and magenta. Magenta carpet. Okay. Plain text materializer dot it takes like serialized. There we go. Again, here I need to do there we go. And public. Boom. Private final. Again. This. Okay. That should work. Why is this? Oh, here. Okay. That should work. Right? Layer the. Then, it's bucket the Splash common player show. There you go. And then here at the end of the game. There we go. Okay. Let's try that. So okay, I need to leave and rejoin, obviously. Slash. Oh, I forgot to add the command. Ooh, my bad. Here. toggles if you see the block name above your hotbar or not. New show blocks again. All right, let's try again now. What are you doing? Plugin cannot be null again. Oh, because it's inventory price. Okay. Slash TP0 130 1000. There we go. That works. Okay, the question is, do I do color type dot blue and bold? Also, there you go. Material block type. Okay. It is just not showing for some reason. As if block type is equal to air or barrier. There we go. I do. Yeah, no, go. Boom. Boom. Boom, boom. And reload leave. Here's the thing, look. When I'm looking at anything, it just doesn't show anything. Um, okay, now. No. So, this is, if you're in the world and you're more 3,000 blocks, then you should that. Otherwise, in here, where is it? Over there? Yeah. If it's false, if you don't have it, or if it's false, then if you're at more than 3,000 blocks, there we go. Yeah, that looks right to me. Yeah. I think everything's done. Let's see. So, we lots of stuff on G. Added the name of the block you're looking at above your hotbar off by default and on and auto activates when build master starts. Changed dive for length of changed how long build masters take. Added logic. Um, Otherwise, checks if the block you're breaking is supposed to be broken or not. Oh, you know what I'm doing? I think I forgot to. What is it? Here? No. Set game mode. If player is not null. Uh, Build masters don't give it to player. Whoop. Public static void. Item stack. Pickaxe is equal to item stack of netherite pickaxe. Item meta pickaxe meta is equal to this. No. Which efficiency did I give you last time? I think it was efficiency 3. Let me check. Is it in here then? Efficiency 2. Is that the open the text? the fuck is going on? Blue dot get color. Pickaxe dot set meta to pickaxe meta, and then layer dot give pickaxe. Okay. And then you can actually break the blocks. Added back the time give. I know nobody will use it, but it's funny to have it. Oh, I need to do that when they complete the build. That's what I want to do. So when they complete the build, I wanna check the price of the next build, then add 2 minutes and give that time to the player. I forgot to do that. So slash TP slash TP 0 130 10,000. You will cry because yeah, okay, whatever. Slash Roblox.
Bone Zone.
Let's avoid.
What's up, Mr. Chippy? Do it, Timmer.
What is up? I am coding video game.
Chene Mohana.
Yeah, don't worry about him. He's crazy like that sometimes. Sometimes just
For Kikwewi.
he's
How's
just
it going?
crazy. How's it going? Good, good, good. How are you? Add
I'm good.
time back to player to build. When they come. There you go. Maybe I should add background again. 70. There we go. Okay. So the plan right now is because we can check the blocks, I think. Here. Instead of having inventory price, I could have int build price int build. How did I do that? Okay, so here. Get build floor. This one. It's a list of 2 locations. Okay. So location list of location, which is build location. It's get build flow for build. Then location of start location is equal to build location get first. Location and location is build location get last. Because there's only 2 locations. Okay. So this is what I need. So x is the block at x, at the x coordinates, and if it's smaller than this, then do that. Okay, so the current block we're looking at is this one. And so we need int price is equal to 0. There we go. Now we get the price of each build. So if I do player dot send build price of build is equal to, hold on, integer dot value of string 0. There you go. Int build price equal to build master dot build price of build. Boom, boom, boom. Conversions dot this. Okay. Build price. Yes, okay. Boom. Do this. Oh. Oh, return price. Yeah, there we go. Okay. I'm gonna stand here actually. Will you join back? Okay, yeah, cost. There's 100 concrete blocks, so 100 seconds. This is, yep, seems to be correct, I think. This also costs 100. This costs 150 seconds. So this you can see 2 minutes 37 seconds. 6. This one is 2 minutes. This one is 1 minute and 40 seconds. This one is also that, but it's way more complicated. Complicated. Fuck, I can't speak. 9. This one is 5 minutes. This one is 174. And so if I do 11, it's this, so it doesn't work. And so if I do -1, which is you. So you daily don't count, and this one too. Should I? Okay, I think I should random those again. So /1. Look, long ass command. So /set 10%. What? Red concrete. Is it percent that shows this? Ooh, I need to change that. Hold on. Oop. What is it? Game overlay, right? There we go. If it's that block, I think. Whoa. Okay, my big just stops. Nice. There we go. So 10% orange concrete. 10% yellow concrete. 10% lime concrete. 10%. Green concrete. Cyan. Light blue concrete. Blue concrete. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 10% purple. 10% pink. There we go. /copy. /rotate 090. /paste. Oh. Is that correct? No. Wait. No, it's not. This one should be here. /rotate. Wait. /rotate. -90, -90. No? This is supposed to be inverted again. Okay. Let's try to work with that. / copy / rotate 180 / paste. / rotate 0 0 90 / paste. No. Well, hear me out. Because this will turn into this. So there we go. Fixed. Looks great. Okay. So those used to have 8 blocks. Now they have 12 copper blocks. Yeah, no shit. How do I do that? So like, so it's 12 in percent. No. Well, it can't be 12%, right? Is it 10 divided by 12? See, it's okay. So it's 8333333. I can't do that. I don't think I can. Get like / set block / set 8.3% waxed copper block. I guess I can. Probably. So okay. Okay. Is it exposed? Okay. Weathered. Oxidized. Okay. Right, we reached the limit that I can type in chat. So let me type in the console. It's slash world. Okay. It's the coordinates are 3, 199, 10,019. I can't do it? Awkward? This is the max I can do. Like, is there a game rule I can change that? A mod maybe could change that. Maybe a mod could. Let's see. Are there mods online in 1.21.8 where I can type unlimited command in chat? Thanks, moderate. Thank you. No. There's nothing to have like longer chat message and stuff. Chat message, timestamp, chat history, modify vanilla by name, spam, chat HUD. There's nothing with allowing you to type longer chat message. Maximum message make can store. Maximum number of comments. Scroll through. Okay, let's see. Switch out windows, resize. Whatever. Highlight, find Mr. James group. There's nothing about making chat message longer. Probably because you can't. That would make sense. Okay, well, this sucks. I mean, I could do the old-fashioned way, which is just this, 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 this. Boom, 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 boom. I just like spam click. Like, or I mean, guys, now that I'm thinking about it, public static void random build. I will delete this function later. I don't even need it now. I could just in test. List location locations is equal buildmasters dot list of and then list of materials, which is materials list, and then I just there we go. From block get block dot set type. and the type will be new. Well, no, we will material list dot get new random dot next int of material list size. There we go. That's the way to random it. Also, it's not any build, it's build 9. There we go. I love technology. It's somewhere here. Here. Boop. Flash test. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, slash slash wand. So is it just slash slash copy slash slash paste 0090? Oh, slash slash rotate 0090 slash paste. Slash slash rotate. So wait, this is supposed to be on top. Okay. Did you just flip it now? What the fuck did I do? Does it work? Wait. No. Yeah. That's it. Okay, perfect. Don't know what the fuck I did, but it works. Boom. Boom. Okay, now I need to change this. Which will be annoying, but that's fine. Boom, boom, okay. So... slash kill at e type item limit one sort nearest. This is this one. Oh, boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. Okay. Slash copy. Oh, no. Wand. Boom. Okay, and now I get to do the funniest thing, which is the rotate one. So rotate was 180. Slash paste. Okay, this somehow works. Okay, undo. There we go. Perfect. Okay. So we've done that. Now I can, well, I don't care about that. I can just remove it. Here. You check every 2 tick. If buildmaster dot is floor build correct of buildmaster dot, yeah, plant. No. From player build and the player's plot. Right? Yeah, build number and plot. So if it's correct, buildmaster dot the next build for player. Else if you're on the next build, here again, build price int price is equal to get current build of player. Okay. For price more than 0, price minus minus. Add 1 second. Times plus 2 times 60. There you go. So we had 2 minutes that they still have time to look around for the build, for the block they need, on top of how much the build costs.
Best viewers SMM top 24 er met 5.
How did you... Ooh, okay, I know why. Hold on. What? Oh, come here. Is it not? Ah, there you go. Just where do you bypass it? That's annoying. So yeah. There we go. Boop. Okay. And you should also get points. Okay, how many points do you need? We could do price build times 2, right? Because this will be like... Or we just do build price, because this is 100. Yeah. Or build price. So okay, it could be build price minus MB of players finishing divided by MB of players total who finished this build before times build price. So it'd be like, for example, that would be 100 minus 0 divided by, let's say, 10 times 100. So that'd be 100 points. Yeah. Now, if 9 people finish before you, you only get 10 points. So you still get points no matter how many points you get. Like, let's say there are 20 people playing and you're the 15 to finish it. You still get 25 points. And if you're 19 to finish it, like, if 19 people finish before you, you get 5 points. So you still get points. It's the amount of people who finished before you. So it'd go from 0 to number of players minus 1 max. So everyone will still get points. I think that's a good formula. And then for the bigger builds, which is this one is, yeah, that's like 100 blocks times 3. So that's like, no, not 33. Because each blocks costs 3 seconds. So it's 300. Yeah, that's only 300 though. Okay. New formula. So this is still the same. Times 1 plus current build divided by total build. So for example, let's go back on this. If you want the first one to finish the first build, right? It's times 1 plus, this is the first build. So it's 1 of 10. Because it's the first build. So you get 1 point. And then if you're the last to finish, it'll be rounded. So you get like 6 points. Right? Oh, game. Oh. Okay, nice. Oh. Okay, let's stay there. So yeah. Most likely be 10 anyway, so it'll be 9 out of 10. So yeah. And then, for example, if it's a 9th build, then it's 300 times that. So originally, without this, you would only get 30 points if you're the last one to finish. And if you're the first one to finish, you only get 300 points. Now, with this new formula, you'd get 500 points if you're the first one to finish this build. And if you're the last one to finish this build, then you just get 57 points. Is this fair? Because, okay, let's imagine you're the first one to finish all the builds. Okay, let me just change this back and have it in count. Okay, player dot send message. Cost for first build or for int build is equal to 1 build less than 11 build plus. Build masters is build price for build. We can do the formula in here directly. Let's just do that. Okay. First place would get so we said the formula was build price. So the price minus 0 of 10 because nobody's finished times the price times one plus build out of 10. Like that's the formula, right? And then last place gets, I need to do zero. There you go. Okay. Let's try this. Okay. So first build it costs 100. First place would get 110 coins. Last place would get 11. And you do math around. Or matter seal actually because I just sealed that. There we go. I'm a generous person. And so, okay. So, first place we get 110 coins. Second place, last place 11. First place again 168, 130, 220, 264, 192, 170, 180, 570, 366. So let's count. So it's 110 plus 168 plus 130 plus 220 plus 264 plus 22 plus 170 plus 180 plus 570 plus 366. That's 2,000 coins for this game for being first place. If you're first place every time, that's like best scenario possible. This game you get 2,370 coins. Worst case scenario, you finish everything, but you're always last place. 27. Wait. 22 plus 27 plus 20 plus 17 plus 18 plus 57 plus 37. Oh. 239 coins if you're the last place and you complete all the builds, which most people will not, right? Let's be honest, most people don't complete everything. So I'm thinking we multiply this by 2, which will benefit the best. Yes, I know. Because instead of going from 1 to 2, it goes from 1 to 3. So that would give it just a bigger gap. Okay. How do I equilibrate and... How many fucking parentheses do I have here? It should be the same, just this is 9. There you go. Is this one even useful? No. This one is useless. Okay, yeah. How do I make it more fair? I could remove up to 0.1 if you're too fast. Like, for example, if I take that like this formula that I wrote somewhere, maybe? Did I? No, okay, it removed all the text I typed. Okay. What was the formula? Okay, I can't see it anymore. GG. So it was. Well, it's this, right? So I need to do like, if you're too fast, it removes some of that. So what if I do like... Okay, let me just do in Buildmasters. Public static int players completed build int build. Int count is equal to 0. For player in player builds no key set. If player builds dot get player is bigger than build, then that means that they've completed this build. If they complete build 1, they should be on 2, not 1. Then count plus plus return counts. Okay. So now we know how many players have completed a build. So we can put that in our formula here. So the formula for giving points should be in here when you move to the next build. Here. Should be points dot add game points for player. This price should be int price is get let's build price of this. There we go. What? Oh, ceiling returns a double. If I round this, because now you're long. Hold on. What? Okay, well, we'll figure that part out. So, yeah. We have a double, but that... Um... Why do you take a double as an argument? At what point do you get a double? Because this is a float. And price is an int. And then you just multiply all that. Times points dot get multiplier. Does that work? Does doing int like that works? There we go. Okay, I fixed this nightmare. So hopefully this works. I mean, I can try it. And so I need to do. What's the name of the function again? Players complete build. Players completed build. Okay, let me just do. This. Okay. The price for old build is this. So divided by the amount of players you completed build before you. So this. That's just. You int. That's not it. That's players completed build. Complete build. There you go. Okay. I think that's fine, honestly. Like, I could have it so, like, if you don't like the first, this bonus goes down a bit. But I don't think it's worth it. I think that's fine as is. And if it's too busted, then yeah, I guess fuck me. But TBH, I think most people will like fail either here or here. So yeah, like most people will only get like tops 1,000 points. I think. You know what? Then I think I could just multiply this by 2, right? Like, what happens if I multiply this by 2? I want to also do int best player. Like, see how many points the best player gets and the worst player gets. You know, also, I'll do that. I don't care that it duplicates code. I don't care, just for testing. Okay. Let's do that again. Oh. You get way more points now. That's good. That's good, I think. Okay. Best player would have points. Oh. All right. Best player would have 3,266 points. And the worst players would have. Okay, what if I do based on int amount of players is equal to integer dot pass int string 0. And that would be -1. -1. Okay. Let's try this. Oh. Okay. Am I crazy or what? No, here it is. I don't know why it wasn't showing, but sure. Am I crazy? Hello? What did I do? Did I kill everything? Okay, here it is. Hello? Can I call Minecraft, please? Okay, let's see. So, with 10 players, right? I don't think the worst players would have minus 4,886 points. They fuck something up? What I do? Oh. probably this. You know, parentheses are important. There we go. That looks much better. Okay, so with 10 players, the best player would have 3,266 points. Like if I test with 2 players, the best player I don't think will ever change. But that's what the worst player gets. Like if there's 20 players, you'll have 166 points. 15 players, 221. That's currently with this current system, which I think is what is in here, right? Times the multiplier, yeah. That's also players that max player count. Go. So, what if what if um yeah, how do I do that? So it'd be like amount of players, something divided by 10. Like no, well not divided by 10, yeah. But 20 maybe, because we're doing times 2 here. So, amount of players minus this, which is the amount of players who have completed this build. Like it's this at the end here. So it'd be minus this. Right? Or I guess plus 1. Like here. So it's the amount of players minus. So it'd be like 10 minus 1 of 10. So it'd be minus 9 divided by 24 divided by 10 by 2 here. Right? And so here it'd be 9 players, like, the amount of players who finished before you. There we go. Big ass formula, holy shit. So, for 10 players, this should be like more close together now. That'd be like, I think this is good. If there's 20 players, you only can get like 1.7k points. If there's 30 players, which will never be at some point. Wait, like if there's 100 players, what? How can you go into negative? How does that happen? Okay, I think we just abandon this idea of more points here. Players should be rewarded if they finish everything. So I think this is a good formula. Well, that just not what I wanted to show you. Okay, I think this is good. I think this is a good formula. Big ass formula, a good formula. Player.send message component.text. You completed build. Number. Complete build. There you go. Wait, no, I need. What is it? Here. I need you. Yeah, this is good. Okay. I think we're all good now. We had time here when the player finishes the build. When they're on the last, when they finish the last build, then we set the build to -1 and set the timer to 0. And then here, it's basically, what is it? Here, when your timer reaches 0. Wait, where? Here. It's more than 10. Because show build wall doesn't do anything. Doesn't change anything. This just sets it to 11. Okay. I think that's good. Oh, I did it! Finally, I'm free of this game! Slash effect clear the voice video. I did it! I think I'll have to test, but pretty sure this is done. Boom! I think. But yeah, I mean, should work. Uh, um, being given back to you to complete the next build. Those 2 minutes. Point based on your current build, how much it costs, and how many players finished before you. Unrelated, but I tried to forcefully put you in adventure when you join the server, and it still doesn't fucking work. Mm. Switched. Go PvP and build masters having the wrong game condition. updated how to show a team based on if they finished or a menu. Right. Talking about that, I need to go here to this function. Here, our show player is so if it's nominal and if it's in the right team, and if you're not already in the list, and you can still show players. If you don't want spec players, so if not spec and player though, so if you don't want spec, if you want everyone but spec players and they can't fly, that means that they're not in spectator, then you add them. Otherwise, if they can fly, that should only show non-spec or spec players. That should here keyword. Yeah.
Hello, Fox.
Clear a spec inventory.
Guess what?
What's up,
Tone.
guys? If
Amers it did you sound you're dumb.
they go in,
You joining us or you streaming till you eat?
I'm probably gonna stream until I eat because I don't fucking know what I'm gonna eat. So, I mean, you know what? I'm gonna finish that, then join VC, then join until I have to eat, probably. So you can start watching without me. It's fine.
Aye, Captain. Sonika Shoris your new one.
No,
Should we wait for you?
no, you shouldn't. I mean, almost done anyway, so.
Why does the fucking TTS have strokes? Every other message LMAO.
I don't know, it's funny, so I'm keeping it. Oh, I've done push and everything broke. My bad. Ooh, 30 warnings. Ooh, a lot of unused. Uh, there we go. What is this for? Is in shop. What is this for? Is it for this? Maybe, I don't know. If there we go. It's used now. 18 warnings. Let's see. Never used. Never used. Whatever. Whatever. Never used. Never used. Is up an empty? What? Oh, is it? Yeah, that's fine. Boom. 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 It's pushing. Yeah. I got pushed. Implemented build masters needs to be tested though. Boop. I'm just safely gonna reopen this issue. There we go. So what? So we have 5 games ready to be tested. I still need map for multi-map before working on it, and then next time I'll work on arms race and bow PvP, and then we'll be all good. So new branch for master. I should probably update first. Let's see. Bow.
Wait, you done? Then we're gonna wait the few minutes.
Yeah, I mean, there was no issue. I think we're good. So yeah. 3 games. 1, I need a map. 2, I can work on right there.
Nice, Homo. I
And then some boring stuff. This for later. This can be done really easily. This is just a plus. So yeah. Alright. Thank you for watching. I did all I had to do. I'll see you at some point, maybe next week for another stream. At some point for a main stream. 24-hour stream, oh my god. I'm gonna do it. Playing a bunch of games and probably coding a lot. But yeah, when I finally get in my new room, I'll do a stream there. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Hell,
I
watch
just
the
got
VOD.
here.
Watch the VOD.
Fuck.